Hello, my name is Darren.
And my name's Tana.
And this is the Damn Garage. This week, we are doing a 9-foot by 12-foot tapestry. So channel your inner hippie, hold the patchouli and the drugs. Let's do some tie-dyeing. Alright, go get that in.
Yep.
Keep unrolling it. Look up. Put it off, okay? Cool. Where's my duck? Hey. You can set one side down. Yep. And then we'll shove it this way as much as we can. Maybe just set the jug of water on the corner.
Yep.
Alright, come here. Grab that end. Walk that way. Shake it. That's good. Alright, let's find. That's good. Alright, let's find where it opens. There. Why is it so dirty? Oh, you lost a piece. Shake it. Okay. Is this, okay, hold this up as high as you can and drop the one that's not folded, I think. Nope, that's as big as we got. I thought this was going to be bigger. Let it go. Let it unfold. Let it unfold all the way.
Okay.
This hand. This hand.
Yep.
Only one piece of fabric. There you go. No, don't step on the white. Look at your footprint.
Yeah, I think.
Well, that's 11 feet, 11 inches. Just looks shorter. Okay, this is what we're going to do.
Yep.
I'm going to come over there.
Yep.
We're going to fold it in half so that it's half long waist.
Okay.
Okay? Alright, now let's walk it in front of us this way to meet these two corners, okay? So pick up, I'll go this way, you go that way to the middle. Okay? And find that middle on the inside, middle, thumb on the inside, thumb on the inside.
Okay.
Thumb on the inside, thumb on the inside. Okay, can you spread it out as big as you can? So I think that fold right there, no, like right here,
Okay.
this is about the perfect middle.
Okay.
It's gonna be kind of hard to do the twist all at once. I'm gonna take my broomstick. And I'm going to put masking tape on it, on the end. You know why?
Why?
I don't think it'll work. So this is my thoughts. I can't really be standing on it to get the swirl started because it'll just get like it'll be held in place in one spot, right? So if I stick this masking tape on this broomstick right here, then I can hopefully, no, because the broomstick twists with it. Maybe I can tape it in place. So backwards tape, it's all just one big experiment. Why can't I ever do something I know how to do for YouTube? Oh, don't stand on it.
Nope.
Try to get in the middle and twist. Oh, it's working! It's working! Okay, so we gotta make these folds like nice and pronounced.
Okay.
Away from that one. Look, like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Stop it in a little bit. Okay. I think we're gonna keep on twisting. Long since I've done any tie-dyeing. But I do know this. We're gonna want to cover every square inch of this fabric with the dye.
Yep.
Okay.
How about
So.
that?
Oh, come on, Dave. Continue wrapping on this table. Since we got it.
That you said that's extremely heavy.
It's not.
Oh.
It's portable. So, why don't you pick that up? I'm right over here. So the next step, after we've got our rubber bands on and we've got our pattern set, we're gonna set this in the sink for 10 minutes. So we'll go do that. We'll be right back. Witness world, as my child can not only not operate door handles, but has trouble with gloves. Alright, I'll go get the tapestry.
Thanks.
Here we go. Go ahead and just really pour it on there for the most vibrant colors. Squeeze that bottle. Yeah. Is it catching in the bucket?
Yep.
Okay.
We isn't getting off of there. Yep, one stain got in there.
One stain got in there?
Yeah. Big one.
You're good.
More.
Okay.
Maybe I said put some. Oh.
The more you put on there, the more vibrant the color will be.
What's that mean?
Just keep on soaking it in. See how the water's the wet fabric's kind of wicking. It's pulling the red in.
That's cool.
Yeah.
It's my first time tie-dyeing by myself. I did when I was young.
I haven't done it since I was your age, I don't think.
Oh. It's more of a gory thing to do.
What?
And hippie.
Can you say that to the camera?
No.
Alright, what's the pattern? Point at it.
Red, orange, yellow, orange, red.
Okay, so this big old thing right here,
Yeah.
that's all gonna be red.
Want me to do it now?
Yeah, go ahead. And all his use.
Made of blood. Oh God. Okay, I guess we're done with that.
More. We're gonna put another red stripe on there?
Yes. I just don't know where.
Okay.
Okay, so red, orange, yellow, orange, red.
Okay, so this other end is gonna be red?
Yeah,
This end?
Yeah.
Or right here?
right here at the very
Right here?
end.
The very end?
Yep.
Perfect.
God,
Good job.
this is heavy.
Now,
That's not
following the
quite
same
done.
pattern, right here needs to be red, your end needs to be red, and this end needs to be red.
I start from here,
Okay.
so you don't have to move yet. This is a nice yellow.
Mm-hmm.
It's like neon, kind of.
It looks like a highlighter.
Yeah.
Kind of looks like movie theater butter when you spray it out of there like that.
Yeah. Should we put this on popcorn? Is this what they use in movie theater ads?
I would not recommend it. Alright, gonna Taylor Swift this bottle. Shake it off, shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. Our tie-dyed tapestry, our Georgia O'Keeffe inspired wrap here, has been setting for 24 hours. Now it's time, I believe, to do the rinse. Oh boy, that is dripping dye everywhere. I think the objective is to rinse it until there's no more dye coming out. Not sure. I think the dribbles of water are mostly diluted. Almost clear looking, like a shower.
Yep.
No. I don't know, but it's not like we're gonna wear it. We're not gonna get the dye soaking off onto our skin. Really seems like if I rinse out much more, we're gonna lose our vibrant colors. Alright, let's take a look inside of this fishing cooler.
Yep.
And see what kind of fish we caught. Oh, it's the elusive orange fish.
And what? And a little bit of yellow. Rainbow fish.
It's a rainbow trout.
Rainbow cod.
I'm no gynecologist. And looking at this thing reminds me why. This is gross looking. Anyway, let's unfurl this and see what kind of tie and dyeing action we've got going on.
Bring them off.
You can help me.
Okay.
I'll hold it here. Hold them down.
Oh, that's cool how it's like white a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Alright, this is exactly why we have plastic wrapping all over the ground. Okay, Tanner. Come on over here. Grab that corner of this dress. Yep. Hold it up high. Oh, that's cool. I put these eye hooks in the garage ceiling. Keep holding yours up high, okay? Take that corner. Good job, buddy.
Okay.
To these utility clamps. You had one job. Last clamp. Alright. Stand back and admire our handiwork. Alright. So there's the finished product. Our 9-foot by 12-foot tie-dyed headliner that we're going to be putting in Vanellope. Got any thoughts, Tanner?
It's epic and it's too wide, so we have to cut it a little bit. I'm pretty sure.
Oh yeah. We'll be for sure cutting it down a little bit. But we've got enough material here to work with in order to do that.
And thank you for watching this video of this week. And we tie-dyed this for Vanellope and this Shino, and like and subscribe and comment and say to your hippy dippity friends, and if you liked the video. Thank you for watching.
Come back for part 2 where we actually install this in the van. And it's going to be hanging out here drying for probably a week with this kind of humidity. Goodbye, YouTube.